Hi, my name is Miss Aubrey. I'm a teacher at Rising Star, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a bun. My hair is going to go into the bun in a different way than yours will, and that's okay. But here's just how I do mine. The first thing that you want to make sure goes well when you do your bun is your ponytail, or however you are planning to get the hair all into one spot so that it goes down smoothly. I make sure I brush my hair out really well. As you can see here, I'm doing a low bun because that's just what I prefer for class. And I'm sticking a couple bobby pins in on the sides for my bangs. For performances, I will definitely hairspray and glue these down rather than a bobby pin just because I prefer it, but ultimately it's up to you. One other thing I'd like to note is that you don't have to do a low bun all the time. For performances, we generally do a high bun with the ponytail sitting right at the crown of your head. And you can also braid it down and then secure it into a ponytail and go from there. Or you can also do a French twist if that's something that you'd like to put your hair up in. The ultimate goal is that it looks nice and tidy and that it's not in the dancer's face. One thing that we are absolutely trying to avoid as we do our buns is what I call a doorknob bun, where the bun isn't flat to the dancer's head and instead curls up around itself and forms a shape that looks more like a donut than a cinnamon bun. And we are going for the cinnamon bun look. I'm using several different kinds of bobby pins, and the kind you use depends on your hair type. I have these little ones, and then I have longer ones, and I have spiral ones. The longer ones and spiral ones are really helpful for longer and thicker hair, while the smaller ones work better for those who do not have as much hair. As I go to form the actual bun shape, I'm wetting my hair down just a little bit to give it something more to stick to. And then I will twist it a little bit and then stick the pin in at a 90-degree angle to my head and then twist it to put it into the rest of the bun. This helps make sure you catch as much as possible as opposed to sticking it in parallel with the bun, which doesn't catch as much hair. Twisting it as you pin is really important because it makes sure that it gets a nice cinnamon roll shape instead of a doorknob. Buns are really important for ballet class because it helps the dancer not have to worry about their hair and where it is, and also having it secured right to the dancer's head helps make sure that their balance or spotting isn't thrown off at all. Ballet buns are also important to dance class because they help teach the dancers responsibility in learning how to do their hair themselves, and overall it just instills a sense of pride in knowing that you are ready for class every day when you come with a beautiful bun in your hair. You will notice that I'm not using a donut in my hair because that is not how we prefer to do our buns at Rising Star, and also because it is, in the long run, more work than learning how to do a cinnamon roll. What I'm doing right now is I'm taking a hairnet and I'll put it down over my bun once and then twist it and keep going until I don't have any more left, and then I'll take the end, twist it around itself, and then pin it underneath the bun. Hairnets are great for if you have any flyaways, and we require them for recitals. I like to use them in class because it just simplifies the whole process, but they're not required. You can find hairnets at Walmart for only a couple dollars or online as well. Thank you so much for watching. We are so excited to have you at Rising Star, and we hope that this was helpful.